Thanks for watching Excel Champ. I'm going to show you how to quickly group and ungroup rows in your data set. If you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so I can continue to bring you free tutorials in Excel. So to group, very easily, you just want to highlight the rows that you want to group. Then you could go up to Data and hit Group, and that will group them all together. So we group the entire East here. We could collapse and uncollapse. Now we could go down our list and do this for each one of our different regions. We could then do it for the North and for the West. Or there's another easier and even quicker way to do this if you have a much larger data set than we have here. So I'm going to undo the grouping that we had. So what we're going to do is just highlight our entire data set. We're going to go back up to Data. And then we're going to go to this Subtotal all the way at the end here. If we click on Subtotal, we can see it's already selected that we want to group at each region. We want to sum, and we want to sum our total sales amount for each one of these regions. You want to make sure that Summary below Data is checked. We're just going to hit OK. And that automatically groups each one of our regions and adds a subtotal. So now we could collapse each one of these. And we could see the East rolled up, the North rolled up, and the West rolled up. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching.